There's something magic about creating fabric vessels. There's a tactile softness to them. There's so much beauty in them, and when I hold them, I feel this sense of who I am as an artist. I mean, what better way to feel your story than to hold it in your hand. Now, this course is perfect for people that want to share their stories. We'll be exploring, finding inspiration to create a vessel, how to use that inspiration to pick different fabrics, different textiles to use in the vessels, and then we will be marking some of that fabric, creating a visual language, creating your artistic stamp onto the pieces before we sew it all together into a vessel form. These vessels will become stories of who you are as artists. So let's create some magic together. If you like the idea of sharing your stories through textile art, then this course is simply perfect for you. Come and join me.